guys, so today I'm going to plan to attempt to get this engine out. I've got to build the engine crane, excuse the hurricane winds outside. So I'm going to build an engine crane. I'm going to build these portable work stands that I had bought a while ago to put these on. Get these out of the way so I don't damage them while it's working up. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. So, there it is. It took a lot longer than I thought. And these are all the labels that I've been putting on the loom, just to label everything up. Just see the rest of the loom. Lots of labels. Hopefully I can reuse the loom, but see what happens. Okay, so this is it. I've disconnected the drive shaft, taken the gear stick out, taken the gearbox support out, undone all the engine mounts. So it's just sitting there at the moment. I've got a jack under the gearbox because I didn't want it to fall on me while I was under there. Got to take that out, and then it might be coming out. Cross fingers. Oh my god. So that did not go to plan. As you can probably tell, I put the engine leveler the wrong way around so that when I lifted it up, I couldn't adjust it to get the angle right. So I had to bash the lever off because I don't have any power in this shed, so I can't just hook up a grinder, and I didn't bring my grinder. So I had to just bash it off so I could level it out. But we got there. Yes! Oh man, that's awesome. Yes! Okay, so finally got the engine out. Super excited. Oh, just a massive step on the journey to restore this car. So this engine is actually not an L24, it's a I think L20. Came out of the old Skylines. I don't know why they put this engine in here. I have to have a look at and see what gearbox I've got, because as I've said before, the gear lever didn't match up with the transmission tunnel. It was right at the front, it was barely even inside of it. So I've got to have a look at that. But so this won't be going back in. But oh man, so stoked. And that's all time I've got today. So yeah, till next time.